Hey everybody, Lauren Montecon here from Montecon Studio. I wanted to talk to you all about a workshop I have coming up called Secrets of Abstraction. So, what does it mean to have a secret when we have abstraction? Abstract painting is a whole language unto itself, meaning we know what we like or don't like when we see it. But how do we actually really name that? And as painters, intermediate painters or advanced painters, we often set out first with our intention of honing in our craft, the techniques we use that expresses our own personal preferences, oil or acrylic or collage. And then from there, we dig a little deeper and we go into what colors and shapes am I working to create a good enough composition, mining and wrangling the paint. But what is the secret formula? Because I believe there is one that sets your work apart from the thousands of painters that are already out there. What makes the cream rise to the top? Here's where we sometimes actually miss the secret when it's right there in front of us. So, what we're going to do in this workshop is I am going to work with you as a group, but more than that, I'm going to work with you as well individually, discerning as these messages that are often right in front of us to bring in what it is we can actually wrangle. And what I mean by that is, what shapes are you missing that you can articulate a little further to express your individual voice? So in this workshop, we are going to work with some techniques. So you can investigate again what might work for you or not work for you. What does it mean to veil? What does it mean to completely expose? How can we bring your best painting forward? So that's the secret. That's what we're going to find out, and we'll find out together. I have a membership program. It's $20 a month, and if you join the program, which has loads of prompts and meditations and a monthly theme, and at the end of the month on a Friday, we get together and you can submit an art piece and get feedback from a group or critique from me. And within the membership, you get $100 off on the workshop. Can't beat that. So I look forward to working with you all, and have a great afternoon, morning, or evening, wherever you're at.